In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Kit.com with Framer. Start by heading to your Kit dashboard. Once you're in, open the Grow section. This is where Kit keeps its tools for building and converting your audience. From there, go to landing pages and forms so you can set up a reusable sign-up experience. Create a new item and choose form as the type. For the format, select modal. A modal is a lightweight pop-up that sits over your page, great for capturing signups without pulling visitors to a different screen. Next, pick a template. Choose one that's close to your brand style to minimize design tweaks, then confirm your choice to open it in the editor. Customize your form. Update the headline, subtext, and fields to keep things focused. Fewer fields usually means less friction and better conversion. Match colors and typography to your site so the experience feels cohesive. If available, fine-tune the success message to set clear expectations after submission. Keep your call to action specific and benefit-driven. When you're satisfied, go to Embed, select HTML, and copy the generated code. This snippet includes the script and markup your site will need to render and track the form properly. Now switch to your Framer dashboard and open the project where the form should appear. In the editor, use Insert, then open the Utility section and drag an embed element onto your canvas. Place it on the page where you want the modal to initialize. It helps to name this layer clearly so it's easy to find later. With the embed selected, look to the right sidebar, open the HTML field, and paste the code you copied from Kit. Give it a moment to load. You should see the form preview. If the content looks cramped or scrolls, resize the embed box so the form fits neatly. Widen the frame, adjust height, and check alignment until everything feels balanced. The modal's open and close behavior is handled by the embed itself. Your job here is simply to provide enough space for it to render cleanly. If your site uses overlapping layers, make sure the embed sits above other elements so the modal isn't hidden. Once the preview looks right, publish from Framer. Your site will now load the Kit modal and route submissions into your connected form, keeping your audience data centralized. That's the full workflow. Build in Kit, copy the HTML embed, place it in a Framer embed, adjust the container for a clean fit, and publish to go live.